How do I download my boarding pass to my phone?
Hello everyone. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to download your boarding pass directly to your phone. This is a great way to save time and paper while making your journey smoother.
Why should you download your boarding pass?
In this digital age, having your boarding pass on your phone can streamline your travel process. It eliminates the need for paper boarding passes, which can easily be lost or damaged. It also allows you to keep all your travel documents in one convenient place, your phone. Plus, it's a more environmentally friendly option.
How to check in online?
The first step to getting your boarding pass is to check in online. Most airlines have a website or a mobile app where you can do this. Usually, online check-in opens 24 hours before the flight departure. Simply, 1. Open the airline's website or mobile app. 2. Enter your booking reference and last name. 3. Follow the prompts to check in for your flight.
How to download the boarding pass?
Once you've checked in, the next step is to download the boarding pass to your phone. There are generally two ways to do this. Option 1. Download from the airline's website or app. 1. After checking in, the website or app will usually give you the option to download your boarding pass. 2. You may choose to download it as a PDF file, or save it to your phone wallet if the option is available. Option 2. Email. 1. Airlines often offer to send the boarding pass to your email during online check-in. 2. If you choose this option, open the email on your phone and download the boarding pass attached.
How to use the digital boarding pass?
Using a digital boarding pass is quite simple. Just open the downloaded boarding pass or the one saved in your phone's wallet, and show the QR or barcode at the security checkpoint and boarding gate. Remember, some countries may require a paper ticket for certain legal or administrative reasons, so it's always a good idea to check before you fly. And that's it. You now know how to download your boarding pass to your phone. It's a simple, convenient, and green way to travel. Safe travels, and we hope you found this guide helpful.